Hey poker players, wow, the Winning Poker Network has an exciting update coming here on June 1st. I'm excited to show you this stuff. Let's get right to it. We've got a new avatar coming. This is my favorite with the different emotions. Here, I'll show you what this looks like at the table. And there we are, the beautiful avatar. Another feature we have is changing the felt. We recently changed that from a right click to a double click. Now we've gotten rid of the double click just based on player feedback here, making changes as we hear from you guys. And we got a lot of misclicks with people double clicking on the table. So now it's up here at the top. If you want to change a table felt, there's the button right there. A really cool side benefit of this is that the single clicks on the table work more quickly. As you can see, I'm switching from big blinds to dollars here, and that's because we don't have to wait to see if a double click is coming. So that's where you'll find it. Those of you that like to do that, hopefully this gets to you and you're not confused with where it went. Another change we have is in the settings, and we're the first in the industry to do something like this, and I'm excited about it because I've always wanted to do this. But in our table options, as well as our card backs, the very last one you'll always find is called customs. And here you're able to put in the color of a felt that any color you like. Customize the color of the felt. So for example, I'm a Cleveland Browns fan. So maybe you can actually, if you want, enter the hex number for the color. So if I go look up the Cleveland Brown hex colors, I can find them here. Here's their orange that they use. And I can put that in as my felt color. And then perhaps I want their brown for my background. So I can put this hex color in my background. Of course, I can just use the UI that's there as well. We also have this for card backs. Cleveland Browns, they have white stripes on their helmet. Maybe I'll make some white cards. So I'll apply this. You know what, let's use some orange buttons while we're at it. And there's my table. So it's, of course, when you apply the settings, let's close this table, go to one where some hands are being dealt so we can see the cards. And there's the white card with my orange table, etc. So a new and exciting thing there. Maybe you want to turn everything black or whatever it is you're after. You can now, you're not limited to our choices. You can make whatever you're after. And while we're talking about table designs, it used to be that Blitz Poker as well as Cyclones would have their own table design regardless of what you had in your settings. Now they're going to look like whatever you have in your settings, but they'll still have the logo for Blitz Poker and Cyclones on the table. We got some feedback about our hotkeys, that the fold button wasn't working for fold now in Blitz Poker. We fixed that, so whatever you have as your hotkey for fold will now work for fold now in Blitz Poker. And now for my favorite one. We're going to play a hand here. Let me fast forward time. Okay, and now that I've completed a hand, the previous hand up here, there's a share button. I can copy a URL or I can post it to Facebook or Twitter. When I put that link in my browser, or if I put it on Facebook or Twitter and anyone in my friends list clicks on it, or if I share it, it takes me to a replayer here online. And I can share that hand with anyone I want to share it with. This will show just like what's in your hand history. So your hand is going to show, but if someone didn't show their cards at Showdown, those cards will not be shown. So now we've got a cool way for you to share your favorite hands as you play them. In this update, you won't be able to do that as an observer, but we'll have that coming in future updates. So that's all coming to you on June 1st. We'll see you at the tables. Have fun.